All right, and welcome to day 6. We are in Amber Cove, as you can see, with the beautiful mountains. Look at that beautiful mountainous air and mountainous range. I bet there's gold for days out here, but that's another channel. This is our last port for the cruise. This is their little private area. The last time we were here, we had a cabana. Enjoyed that. I'll show you the cabana we had last. Oh, look at there. And there's our room. One floor from the one that sticks out. And I love this view of the ship, this side view. This monster ship. Carnival's largest ships.
Like there's Mom.
Oh, there she is. She's waving. And she left. So there's the cabins that we rented. The big one in the middle, that is like the Grand Cabana. I don't know why I'm saying cabin. The Grand Cabana. And that one's like $1,300 to rent. Might be more than that. The one that we got is that blue one. It was about $499, I think is what we paid for it. But it's air conditioned. It's got a stock refrigerator. It's got pool amenities that you can use, floats and paddles and paddle boats and kayaks. Look at that ship. Isn't that awesome? I love seeing ships from the outside. So here is the port, and just like most ports that you see, a lot of shops. The other side, which we'll look at later, it's got a pool area, it's got cabanas, and it also has, like at the top of that hill right there, a bar. But what I like about this port is we're in the Dominican Republic, and I have another channel, Groovy Gold Hunter, and I do gold, and I've been dabbling in gemstones. Well, they have what's called Larimar here in the Dominican Republic. It's the only place you can find it in the Dominican Republic. So we'll go look at that later. Right now we're looking for Cody some sunglasses. There we go, 20% off. That's the ones we're looking for. That's what it said. I don't know if it's the whole thing. Ah, Christmas stuff. Christmas by the sea. Oh, and they have doggies. Don't judge me. Oh, I gotta get my glasses on. Do we have chihuahuas? I don't see any chihuahuas. No chihuahuas. Oh, not cool. That's a corgi, I think. Yeah, that's a corgi. There's a chihuahua. I wish he had the right colors.
There's another one that looks not close.
I mean, it's close, but
There's the other one.
no, yeah. It's hard to find his color. Unless they had like Russian toys,
Should we get Jeremy one?
then we could definitely get one. I got some more over there. Wish they had my dog. You would think Chihuahua would be a very popular animal. Maybe it is, and they just sell out of them. That's pretty cool to have a Christmas store in the Dominican Republic. Here we go. Look at those geodes. I think I bought one here. Yeah.
I got these and they started clapping, man.
Oh, you're getting them?
And here is the place to get your picture made. Look at that. Look at that beautiful ship. Big old carnival celebration right in front of the Amber Cove sign. All right, it's time to take a picture of this. So I'm looking for Fritz, a toy, a squeak toy, something that I can take home to him because I feel so bad leaving him for a week. And he loves like these little things, but if it had a squeaker in it, it would be perfect. Oh my God.
Dominican chocolate. Where could the chocolate work? Cut the dry. Cut the dry chocolate. Free sample.
All right, you got us in the door. Free sample. Free sample. Where's my sample?
Chocolate tea.
What is this?
This is chocolate tea. Amazing.
Chocolate tea. Chocolate tea. Yeah, it's chocolate, it's tea. She don't like tea.
I don't like that.
A little bit.
It's like chocolate coffee.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. It's like chocolate. It's like chocolate coffee or tea. That was actually good. Where are they?
It is 100% organic. You make with some water, strain it, and this kind of honey. Just that.
Oh, okay. So you got to buy.
If you want to visit any doctor, get this. Come to Dominican Republic, Puerto Plata City. If you got pain, headache, flu,
I have a feeling we're gonna be buying some honey and tea. If we get it, you can make it. How much is it? Just out of curiosity.
Probably $40. Who knows? Yeah, the little island honey. Bye.
How much is it?
How much is this?
this is the best part, the price.
Oh no! Thank you.
Stop paying, come here. Let's try it.
I've already had. What is that? No. I've still got that other taste. No. You give it to her. She loves hot chocolate. I'm just gonna buy this. I got that taste in my mouth. We're gonna get that, and we're running. Wait, what? If you want something else, get it. And this. It's not bad at all. 32 for all that.
Oh, look at the little earrings.
Put it in the bag. 24 karat gold chocolate. That must be the good stuff. All right.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
The most energetic store I've ever been into.
Oh, I would celebrate too.
Just got fleeced into some miracle honey.
I know. Yeah, if we end up getting sick or something from this damn cruise, well, I'll be sucking on that honey tea shit. Like, give me that honey tea. You should have bought two. He was aggressive.
Whatever.
No, you'll buy one. You get two. You can't come back here. It's the only place you can get it. Get it. No, you're gonna buy two. No, I don't want to. Yes, you're gonna want two.
You want to?
No, I don't want to. Yes, you want to. I think I want to. It's Piranha Joe's. I just want to find a little bitty toy for my baby boy, and I don't see
Some
one.
of those are fun. When you
Where?
In Japan.
Oh, yeah, you said that.
Yeah.
All right, moving on. All right, so we're gonna go down here and take a look at the pool area. This is a pretty cool little area because it's got like a little mini trail you can walk up. And this is where you can rent your cabanas. You can get a hillside cabana, ocean cabana, poolside. It's funny because everywhere I've gone, whether it be the casino, yesterday when I was in Grand Turk, I see Brian Christopher somewhere. He probably thinks I'm stalking him, and I don't even know the guy from, I never watch his channel. But I know who he is because he's a pretty big YouTuber, so.
How many subs does he have if he's got...
740,000. It's good from...
No, it's...
Shit. I would like to have...
not even that
I would
much,
like to have 1% of that. If I had 1% of that, I would be happy. There you go, T. Let the sharks eat your toes. I wouldn't do that for the fish's sake, though. That's my whole thing. They would look at my feet and go, no, pass, firm pass, thank you. I'd be like, what's wrong with his toes?
You get out of there, Dad, you'd
Zip
have
line.
a little chicken legs. Little chicken feet.
I probably wouldn't have any toes left.
You just...
It'd all dead, be all dead skin. So I mean, this port, it's a cool port if you don't want to get, if you don't have like excursion or anything. You can get to this pool. They got plenty of stuff to do, shopping, nice little hammock areas. Look at those. Nice, comfortable hammocks. Totally free. They have the zip line, kids pool, all kinds of shiznit. So there's the kids' little play area, the kids' slides. And even the big pool has slides. That's neat. Got two slides. And then up there is the hillside cabanas. Got a drink station. There goes the zip line.
Zip line.
Shaka, bro!
Okay, there's the hillside cabanas, the poolside cabanas. They're a little bit cheaper. I think they're like $200, somewhere in that area. All right, we're out of the room finally. The only reason why we're out of the room is because we got to eat something. So that's what we're doing. We're going to eat. We're on deck 8, Biscayne Drive. We're going to Cucina del Capitano.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. We are sitting in Del Capitano, Chiquito, Chinito, Cucino. You know what I'm talking about. We've got tea here. We got Cody right there. You like my smooth camera actions? Because I got my gimbal going. Yeah, see, there I am. So we're gonna order some food. I'll be back when I order. Now I'll actually show you this time, if I don't forget. Oh, awesome. Thank you. So we got our food. I forgot to do the arancini, so I apologize. I ate them before I remembered to film them, which is what I always do. But here's my chicken parm, and I got a little garlic butter spaghetti. And then I got these crispy potatoes, which are really good, with a little Parmesan on them. Very good. Time to eat. Okay, we are back in the room. We just got done eating at Cucina's, and it was fantastic. I'm so full now. I had chicken Parmesan. I had the garlic buttered noodles, the potato crisp with Parmesan on it. It's fantastic. So yeah, we have a member of the family that does not feel well. Voyager T is handling her mom, taking care of her. We got her some soup, brought it back up from Cucina's just in case she can eat it and feel a little bit better. And then we're gonna go out and do something. We don't know what. They had the Celestial String show going while we were at dinner, so we might try to catch that at 9 o'clock. I've seen that show at least 8 times. It's their signature show. It's a really good show, but it's the same show over and over and over again. So I've seen it a lot. So I don't know if we'll do that or not. Find that out. I think there's a ghost. Ghost! Hello? Hello? There's a ghost. What is going on? There's a ghost in here. Hello? Hello? What the hell? Who is shaking something? What is going on? God, surely that didn't come from outside. It sounded like it was just right in the next room. Our room. There's a ghost in this suite. This is our last day, and we have a ghost on our balcony. It's just rocking in our chair, watching the view. The ghost ship! I thought we had 2 ships behind us, but we actually have 3. I checked my binoculars, and there's one way back there that I could barely see, but with binoculars I could see them. But one of them's an MSC ship. The one closest, I don't know if I can zoom in on that in editing, but there it is. And then that one's a Carnival ship. Don't know what it is, but it's the Carnival ship. It looks like a bigger ship too. And then in between those 2, way back there that you cannot see, is a 3rd ship. So what are we doing, you ask? I'll tell you what we're doing.
Christmas?
My mom, She won't see this before she gets the cat. Yes, that's right. I don't even know how to explain this. Let me go back here. I'll go back here. You talk to the cat lady. So it's Christmas time. It's almost December and everybody's asking for a Christmas list and yada, yada, yada. I've sent my Christmas list off. I want stuff for my Groovy Gold Hunter channel. I want gold. I want pay dirt. I want stuff like that. My wife wants nothing. She never wants anything. She never sends a list. And sometimes it's makeups, this, that, little things, you know. And then my son, he sends a list. He wants electrical stuff, electronic stuff, stuff for his house, you know. Typical stuff that you need and want for Christmas, clothes. Then my mom sends a list. She wants a vacuum. Okay, that's great. She wants a pair of shoes, a new pair of shoes. Perfect. We'll see if we can find those shoes. And she wants a Maine Coon kitty cat. If you don't know what a Maine Coon kitty cat is, it's not a Maine Coon kitty cat. It's a Maine Coon cougar or mountain lion or Bengal tiger or lion. Lion is probably the best word for it. So we are looking for a Maine Coon cat online on the ship while we're headed home. This is a sea day, by the way. It's the last day. And then we started looking at them. We're like, okay, a cat. How much does a cat cost? Well, let me tell you how much a Maine Coon costs. It doesn't cost $100. Doesn't cost $200. I think we could go to the zoo and just buy a mountain lion. So that's what we're doing. We're looking for Maine Coons. How do you think my dog is going to feel about us bringing an 80-pound cat into our house? He's 4 pounds. He's not even 4 pounds. He's 3 pounds, 11 ounces last time I weighed him. I think the kitty cat, once it comes out of its mother, is 6 pounds. I don't know. It's freaking huge. It's bigger than a baby. What we're looking at, the ones that you can get, and when they're available, they're already twice the size of our dogs. But I like cats. If a cat comes up to me and wants to say hi, that's fine. But most cats that come anywhere near me just want to maul me and scratch me to death and bite me because I'm not good with cats. Don't like me. They just don't. However, I'm not allergic. Cody's allergic, but I'm not allergic to cats. But apparently cats are allergic to me because they don't like me. So I can't imagine what a Maine Coon that is the size of a mountain lion is going to feel about me. Now, thank God it wouldn't live in our house because, number one, Fritzy would not have that. He would be like, you are not bringing that cat into my house. So it will go to my mother's house, and my mother can deal with the wrath of the mountain lion, cougar, Bengal tiger, lion, cheetah, kitty. So that's what we're doing right now. I know that was a long explanation. I'll just shut up and continue our research. Bye. And that was our cruise. I did not tape anymore because we literally spent the rest of the cruise searching for a cat. And also I went to the casino, stayed in a room, enjoyed that suite. What a great cruise it was, being in that suite, having that deck. Just fantastic. I didn't think I'd be bringing a story up about a kitty cat, but here's some pictures of my mother's cat that we got her for Christmas. And I gotta admit, it is the cutest thing I've ever seen as far as a cat's concerned. Very cute. That thing is going to be huge. And his name is Blue. There you go. And that was our cruise. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our Carnival Celebration 7-day cruise, our Thanksgiving cruise. Really had a good time. And as always, I appreciate it. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also like button, share button, notification bell. That way every time I put out a new video, you guys will know about it. And I've got another cruise coming right up. We got a quick 3-day cruise on the Wonder of the Seas. So I will see you then. Until then, peace and love. See you on our next voyage. Bye.